I started out at Dolbadan School in the village of Llanberis, where I was born and bred. When I reached standard 5, I, like everyone else, had to sit the 11+ exam at Bryneville School. But unfortunately, I failed. The teacher said I had the ability to tell you the truth. I was a bit lazy and had no interest. I had to return to Dolbadan and work my way through Form 6 and 7. When I reached 15, I had to leave the school and think of going to work. At the time, my father worked at the Dinorwig quarry as an engineer, and through his influence, I was given the job of apprentice fitter at Gilfach, where the Quarry Museum stands today. And I was there. I spent my time until the quarry closed in 1969. The closing of the quarry affected the whole area, especially the small businesses who were managing to make a tidy income before the closure. Personally, I felt that the social life in the area was also affected, especially for those who took an interest in the many social events, such as concerts and the drama club. People felt low after the quarry closed, not only in Llanberis, but also in the neighbouring villages of Deiniolen, Llanrug, Bethel and Cwmaglo, amongst others. A new hope came to the area when the opening of the Dinorwig power station brought work to many ex-quarrymen. Until then, there had been a feeling of hopelessness, even though places like Peblic, Bernard Wardle and Ferodo brought work to many. Some quarrymen left for England to work in places like the new town of Corby, where steel were produced, some staying and raising their families there and others returning to this area. When the quarry closed in August 1969, I had to find another job, and after a year of unemployment, I got a job at Laird's in Beaumaris, a small part of Camel Laird's in Birkenhead. I left there to go to Ferrantis in Bangor, where I stayed for 17 years, before having to leave because orders became scarce, and in a period of a couple of months, around 250 people lost their jobs. Once again, I was unemployed until I was offered a chance to return to Gilfach, this time as a part-time warden in the Quarry Museum. After 2 years, I started working full-time in the foundry, where I stayed until my retirement in 2003. Today, I sit back and remember the old days, whilst thinking of the words of Ralph Williams's Lament to the Quarry, which hints of a hope to come, and that hope was answered with the opening of the Quarry Museum.
Ond paid I galoni, pwy hwyr yr un pryd, nad oes mewn anwybod, ddiwofaeth o hyd. Nad oes mewn anwybod, ddiwofaeth o hyd. Nad oes mewn anwybod, ddiwofaeth o hyd.